Hello dear students, hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. This is session 1 of chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. Objectives of today's session will be to compare the large numbers. Today we will learn about numbers and compare the large numbers. To make the number if digits are given, we will make the numbers when digits are given. To know about predecessor of a given number. Predecessor is the previous number. We will also find the predecessor of different numbers. To know about successor of a given number. Successor is the next number. We will also find the successor of different numbers. To arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending orders means we will arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order if these are given in random order. Indian and international system of numeration. Numbers help us to count the concrete objects. For example, number of students in a class. Sometimes we may also want to know the number of trees in our school, number of classroom in our school, etc. They help us to say which collection of objects is bigger. For example, we can compare the strength of students of class 6th and class 7th. We can also compare the number of toys we have with the number of toys our friend has. We can compare the number of family members in different families. They help us to arrange the things in ascending or descending order. For example, we can arrange the students according to their height or weight or marks they get in the class test. Very often, we come across the situations in our daily life where we must compare the large numbers. For example, if we want to purchase a computer, we will compare the price of computer that we want to purchase from different shops. We will get the quotations from different shops, compare their prices, and then we will conclude which shop is offering us the computer at the lowest price. Similarly, if we want to sell our old bicycle, we will sell it to the person who offers the highest price. We will deposit our money in a bank which offers the highest interest. Now, when we want to compare two numbers, two cases may arise. Case 1. If the numbers have different number of digits, means we have to compare two numbers which have different number of digits. For example, one number may be a 5-digit number and other may be a 6-digit number. In other words, one number has 5 digits in it and other has 6 digits in it. Then in such cases, rule is the number having more digits is bigger and the number with less digits is smaller. Like a 5-digit number is always bigger than a 4-digit number. A 6-digit number is always bigger than a 5-digit number, and so on. Example, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 is always less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 is a 5-digit number. It has 5 digits in it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a 6-digit number. It has 6 digits in it. As we know that a 5-digit number is always smaller than a 6-digit number. So, here 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 is smaller and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is bigger. Case 2. If the numbers have same number of digits. For example, both the numbers are 5-digit numbers or both the numbers may be a 6-digit numbers, or it can happen sometimes we want to compare two 7-digit numbers. What will we do in that case? For such cases, we have to follow some steps like step 1, compare the digits at the leftmost place, means we have to compare the leftmost digits of both the numbers. If it is not same, then obviously the number with bigger leftmost digit will be greater. But what if the leftmost digits comes out to be same? Then step 2 is that if they are equal, then compare the second digits from the left. If the second digits from the left are equal, then compare the third digits from the left. Continue until you come across unequal digits at the corresponding places. Clearly, the number with greater such digit is the greater of the two. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is greater than 2, 3, 3, 6, 7, 4. Here both the numbers have 6 digits. So, we will compare from the leftmost digits. This is 2, same for both the numbers. Second leftmost digit is also same for both the numbers, that is 3. Now, third digit from the left is 4 and 3. So, the first number having greater digit 4 at its third place from left is bigger than other. So, dear students, you have seen that how to compare two numbers having same number of digits and how to compare the numbers having different number of digits. Now, we are going to start our next topic, that is making number if digits are given. Rule is to make the greatest number, write the biggest digit at the leftmost place and so on. Means out of given digits, greatest digit will be given leftmost place, then the next bigger digit will be given next leftmost place and so on. Next, to make the smallest number with the given digits, write the smallest digit at the leftmost place and so on. Means out of given digits, smallest digit will be given leftmost place, then the next smallest digit will be given next leftmost place and so on. Rule 3 is digit 0 cannot be written at the leftmost place. So, if there is 0 in given digits, then we will write the 0 at second leftmost place while writing the smallest number, because we know that 0 at leftmost place is not considered. Use the digits 2, 8, 7 and 4 without repetition to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. First, make the greatest number from these digits. Let us remember the rule that to make the greatest number, write the biggest digit at the leftmost place and so on. Now, out of 2, 8, 7 and 4, 8 is the biggest digit. So, this will be at the leftmost place. Then 7, 4 and 2 will be placed. To make the smallest number, remember the rule that to make the smallest number, write the smallest digit at the leftmost place and so on. Now, the smallest digit 2 will be given leftmost place and then other digits 4, 7 and 8 will be placed accordingly. So, following the rule, we find that 8742 is the required greatest number, while 2478 is the required smallest number. Use the digits 1, 3, 6, 0 without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Let us first make the greatest number from these digits. Follow the rule that to make the greatest number, write the biggest digit at the leftmost place and so on. Now, out of 1, 3, 6, 0, 6 is the biggest digit. So, this will be at the leftmost place. Then 3, 1, 0 will be placed. To make the smallest number, follow the rule that to make the smallest number, write the smallest digit at the leftmost place and so on. Smallest digit 1 will be given leftmost place, as 0 cannot be placed at the leftmost place. So, it will be given the second leftmost place and then 3 and 6 will be placed. So, following the rule, we find that 6310 is the required greatest number, while 1036 is the required smallest number. So, dear students, you have seen how to make numbers if digits are given. We can make the greatest and the smallest number if digits are given. We have also discussed how to place 0 while making the smallest number with given digits, having 0 in it. Now, we are going to our next topic, that is predecessor of a number. Predecessor number. Number that appears just before a number means a number just before a number is called its predecessor. For example, 3 is the predecessor of 4 and 20 is the predecessor of 21. We can find it by subtracting 1 from the number. If we subtract 1 from a number, we get its predecessor. Next is successor number. Number that appears just after a number, means successor of a number is a number that comes just after this number. For example, 7 is the successor of 6 and 50 is the successor of 49. We can find it by adding 1 to the number. If we add 1 to a number, we get its successor. Let us try these questions. What is the smallest 4-digit number? Now, no restriction is there, like we cannot repeat the number. We have 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Out of these, we will use the smallest digit 1 and 0 for the formation. 1 will be given leftmost place as 0 can't be at leftmost place, and we will repeat 0 3 times. Answer will be 1 0 0 0. This is the smallest 4-digit number. Similarly, to get smallest 5-digit number, we will write 1 at the leftmost place and repeat 0 4 times. Next question is, what is the greatest 5-digit number? Now, to find the greatest 5-digit number, we will use the greatest digit 9 for the formation. Answer will be 99999. This will be the greatest 5-digit number. Next question is, what is the predecessor of smallest 5-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number is equal to 10000, that is 10,000. 1 at the leftmost place and repeated 0 4 times. Now, we get predecessor by subtracting 1 from the given number. So, let us subtract 1 from 10000, that is from 10,000, which comes out to be 9999. So, predecessor of 10,000 minus 1 is equal to 9999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Next question is, what is the successor of greatest 3-digit number? Greatest 3-digit number is equal to 999, repeating 9 3 times. We also know that we get successor by adding 1 to a number. So, to get successor of 999, we will add 1 to 999, which comes out to be 1000, that is 1000. So, successor is equal to 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000, that is the smallest 4-digit number. Next question is, what do we get if we add 1 to greatest 5-digit number? Greatest 5-digit number is equal to 99999, repeating 9 5 times. We also know that we get successor by adding 1 to a number. So, to get successor of 99999, we will add 1 to this number, which comes out to be 1 lakh. So, if we add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, we get the smallest 6-digit numbers. Points to remember: predecessor of the smallest number of any digit is the greatest number with one less digit. For example, predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number is the greatest 4-digit number. Predecessor of the smallest 6-digit number is the greatest 5-digit number. Predecessor of the smallest 7-digit number is the greatest 6-digit number. Successor of the greatest number of any digit is the smallest number with one more digit. For example, successor of the greatest 5-digit number is the smallest 6-digit number. Successor of the greatest 6-digit number is the smallest 7-digit number. successor of the greatest 7-digit number is the smallest 8-digit number. So, dear students, we have discussed about the predecessor and successor of a number. Now, we know that predecessor can be found out by subtracting 1 from the number and successor can be found out by adding 1 to the number. Now, we will arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending orders. Arranging numbers in order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Numbers are 9802, 36501, 38802 and 25751. Now, we will compare the following numbers. Clearly, 9802 is a 4-digit number while all the other numbers are 5-digit numbers. As we know that a number with less number of digits is always smaller than the numbers with more number of digits. So, 9802 is the smallest number out of all given numbers. Now, we have to decide which is the smallest number out of 25751, 36501 and 38802. Leftmost digit of 25751 is the smallest. So, it comes on the second number. Out of 36501 and 38802, 36501 is smaller than 38802 because of second digit from the left, and the number 38802 is the biggest of these. So, the answer is 9802 is smaller than 25751 is smaller than 36501, which in turn smaller than 38802. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller. Numbers are 1971, 45321, 88715 and 92547. Now, we will compare the given numbers. Clearly, 1971 is a 4-digit number and other numbers are 5-digit numbers. So, 1971 is the smallest of the given numbers, and while arranging in descending order, it will come at the 4th place. Now, we have to look for the greatest number out of 92547, 88715 and 45321. We see that as the leftmost digit of 92547 is 9, which is the biggest, so it will come at the first place while arranging in the descending order. Next biggest digit is 8 of the number 88715. So, it will be at the second place in descending order, and 45321 having digit 4 at the leftmost place will be at the third place. So, the correct descending order will be 92547 is greater than 88715 is greater than 45321, which in turn greater than 1971. So, we have seen that how the given numbers are arranged in ascending order. We have also seen that how the numbers are arranged in descending order. Now, we will discuss the two system of numeration and will try to write the numbers according to Indian and international place value system. Indian system of numeration. Here, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores are periods. Period ones has 3 places, ones, tens and hundred. Period thousand has 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. Period lakhs has 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs, and period crore has 2 places, that is crore and 10 crore. So, we read 24678218 as 24 crore 67 lakh 82,318. International system of numeration. Here, ones, thousands and millions are periods. Period ones has 3 places, ones, tens and hundred. Period thousand has 3 places, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Period million has 3 places, million, 10 million and 100 million. So, the number 322,456,724 is read as 322,456,724. How many numbers can you make using digits 3, 8 and 5? Let us try to write the numbers. First, we will keep the leftmost digit fixed as 3 and arrange the other two digits, that is 5 and 8. First number will be 358 and second will be 385 after exchanging the place of 5 and 8. Similarly, we will keep the leftmost digit fixed as 5 and arrange the other two numbers, that is 3 and 8. First number will be 538 and second will be 583 after exchanging the place of 3 and 8. Similarly, we will keep the leftmost digit fixed as 8 and arrange the other two digits, that is 5 and 3. First number will be 853 and second will be 835 after exchanging the place of 5 and 3. So, what we have learnt? Importance of numbers, comparing large numbers, making numbers if digits are given, predecessor of a given number, successor of a given number, arranging numbers in ascending and descending orders, Indian and international system of numeration. Home assignment. Make the smallest 5-digit number using digits 2, 5, 0, 7, 9. Next question is, what is the greatest 5-digit number? Question number 3 is, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Numbers are 847, 9754, 8320 and 571. Question number 4 is, arrange the following numbers in descending orders: 5000, 7500, 85400, 7861. Hope you have understood. We will do the next topic of this chapter in session 2. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.